Ms. Washburn and Ms. Sparks decided to solve another expression using the same strategy that they each used for the first one. So Ms. Sparks solved using order of operations, which is the strategy that we've all been using, and Ms. Washburn solved using the distributive property. We are going to start by looking at Ms. Sparks' work. I can see here that first Ms. Sparks did 10 times 2. She did what's in the parentheses because we know that parentheses show us priority. So she did 10 times 2, and that got her 20. And then she brought everything down. So now she has 5 times 20, and she got 100. So I agree with Ms. Sparks' work. It is correct. We know that she used order of operations to solve. Now we are going to take a look at Ms. Washburn's work. From looking at Ms. Washburn's work, I know that she used the distributive property to solve this expression. From the first part of the PST, we did learn that we could get the same answer. So I'm going to take a look at her first and her second step. I can see here that she distributed the multiplication to each term. So here we have 5 times 10, 5 times 10, and then she did 5 times 2, which is how she got to step 2. From solving each of those, she got 50. 5 times 10 is 50, and 5 times 2 is 10. And then she multiplied 50 by 10, and that got her 500. Although Ms. Washburn got the correct answer when she used the distributive property on the first expression, she did not get the correct answer here because we can only use a distributive property when we are adding or subtracting the terms inside of the parentheses. So as we can see here, we are multiplying 10 and 2. So we cannot use the distributive property. From the second part of the PST, we can see that we can only use distributive property when we are adding or subtracting the terms inside of the group, the terms inside of the parentheses. We cannot use distributive property when we are multiplying or dividing the terms in the group.